Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the JAK token. Name of the token JAK, ticker symbol is also JAK. Now this token here has a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume, trending number 13 right now on DEX Screener and trending number 9 on DEX Tools. This token just came out under 2 days ago, doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here. So this is JAK is short for Wojak. Wojak is already a very popular meme coin that, came out a long time ago. There's been many Wojak tokens over the years. And then now this is a new one, and they just took out the Wo, and now it's just JAK. And it says, their Twitter here is at JAKcoin. JAK, the simple degen trader. They have a full link tree there, linktree/JAKcoin, that you could check out for all the links. 119 tweets. They just joined November 2024. 5,163 Twitter followers. If you scroll down, check out their pinned tweets. They have all the links there. Website, Telegram, TikTok. They have the contract address. If you're looking for the token, you can find it on SoulScan, BirdEye, CoinGecko, DEX Screener, and DEX Tools. Those are all great places to see the chart and the price. But yeah, if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, then you would trade your Sol for the JAK token using the contract address you could find in their link tree or their pinned tweet there or on their webpage, jakcoinsol.com. You can find it all over, just make sure you have the right contract address. You probably won't have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off Raydium. This token may also be available on other DEXs like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca. And if you follow the Twitter here, maybe they're going to announce some central exchange listings in the future. This token was created on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. Now, if you look at the link tree, you're going to find a link to pump.fun, TikTok, website, Telegram, Twitter, DEX Screener, and a button to buy JAK. That will take you over to Jupiter. So you could use that DEX there as well. That's linked in the link tree. Yeah, they have all sorts of chart updates. So it says here, they're talking about 9 minutes ago, MEXC Global. So this token may be listed on MEXC Global soon. They're talking about that 9 minutes ago. Brand new update. I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there, so check that out as well. And yeah, so they said they got almost 30,000 holders in 40 hours, and we can see what they have now. Their Telegram at JAKCoinTG, 2,580 subscribers. So you can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, new token listings, partnerships, announcements, memes, all that fun stuff. Their webpage, you're going to find more memes and lots of information over there. You're going to find little videos. It's like a full link tree over there. Looks like they're on CoinMarketCap as well. They have tons of links, even a Reddit and a TikTok you can check out. Meet Jack, your average kind of guy. No girlfriend, dead-end job, and low self-esteem. But that's all about to change when Jack stumbles upon meme coins. Jack's life will never be the same. They do give you a step-by-step how to buy on their webpage. In case you didn't understand how I explained it, you could just follow the steps on the webpage. Jack has a total supply of 1 billion tokens. So 100% of the liquidity is burnt, and we're going to verify that in a second. Contract revoked. It says contract Seifu, no tax. Buy and sell tax is 0. If Jack can make it, so can you. It's time to lock in the easiest time to get rich is now. That is the worst sentence ever. Jack found the cheat code and changed his life. Will you do so too? Who wrote this page? And then it says join the socials. Big disclaimer. It says Jack, crafted exclusively for enthusiasts, carries no inherent value. Exercise caution with funds. And yeah, so the big disclaimer that you could read at the bottom of the page, and always read the disclaimers. So jackcoinonsol.com, check out the page here. So right now, 28,700 Twitter followers, trending number 5 right now on DEX Tools. They have a total supply and circulating supply of 999.99 million tokens. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 99.7% out of over 2,080 votes. They have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security that you could find on DEX Tools. And it says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. Now, they also here have another quick audit on DEX Screener. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. This token pair was created on Raydium 1 day, 19 hours ago. Right now, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $52.7 million. Market cap is $22.1 million. They have $1 million in liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 94.53% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. They've had 125,800 transactions today. They're up 189% in the past 24 hours, and token price right now is 2.3 cents per token. So needless to say, Jack is doing very well today, so go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.